Hey guys, ilang araw nang sunod-sunod ang ulan. And alam niyo ba, ito rin talaga yung season kung kailan common ng mga fungal infections. Dahil sa sobrang moisture, humidity for ventilation, at yung mga basang damit or sapatos na minsan matagal matuyo, mas mabilis talagang kumalat ang mga fungi sa balat. Naranasan ko ito before I actually got mine from a damp towel na hindi natuyo for days kasi walang sikat ng araw. Akala ko okay lang gamitin pero after a few days, bigla na lang ako nagkaroon ng red itchy patches sa balat. Super uncomfortable and bothersome lalo na sa gabi. What really helped me get rid of it was Nice Roll Cream, my go-to ally against fungi.
Sobrang effective niya and only applied once a day sa affected area. Grabe, ilang araw pa lang nakita ko na agad yung improvement. Nabawasan yung kate, lumiit yung patches, and nawala na totally after consistent use. Kaya ngayon, hindi na ako nagpapakampante. I always keep a tube of nice oral cream with me lalo na ngayong tag-ulan. Para anytime may nararamdaman ako irritation sa balat, alam ko na agad ang gagamitin ko. Available siya sa leading drugstores nationwide, kaya madali lang hanapin.
You can also check them out on Facebook and Instagram at NiceRallyPH for more info and helpful tips. So don't wait for the itch to get worse. Trust me, mas hassle yan. Kaya kung nakakaramdam ka na pangangati sa balat, just use NiceRal Cream, your ally against fungi. Remember, apply once a day para itch over.